A 6.3-inch full HD screen. A 16-megapixel front camera. 48-megapixel Sony rear camera. The fingerprint scanner on the side. A multifunctional button. This is what we call a rugged, tough, and modular smartphone. The looks are superb, though it looks like they can handle a bump or two. The Doogee S95 Pro is an incredible smartphone. This rugged and tough smartphone has an IP rating of IP68, which means it is water and dust proof. The USB-C charging port and SIM slots are well secured and waterproof, so you don't have to worry. Take it out during the rain, while hiking, or even to the beach. The Doogee S95 Pro can handle it all. The AAA camera with a 48-megapixel Sony sensor is ready to take sharp and colorful pictures, while the 16-megapixel front camera can take great selfies or TikTok videos. With the modular connector on the back, you can easily attach the speaker module or the battery pack. Bring the music with you wherever you go, or extend the battery even further. Just snap it on the back and the module is ready to go. Can this smartphone stand the test of performance too? Can it compete with Samsung or Apple? Let's find out in our review. Just click on the link in the description below to jump to our in-depth review of the Doogee S95 Pro. We will drop it in water, on the floor, and test the speed and gaming performance so you can make the right decision.